So today we're gonna try one of Christina Tosi's recipes. I've never tried any of her recipes before, but I hear she's the tits when it comes to baking. Today we're gonna try cereal milk panna cotta. Cereal milk. Yeah, you're gonna be famous. These fucking things, man. We can go ahead and make our crunch. Okay. Cereal milk is warm. Delicious. Okay, we're gonna get these in the fridge. Alright guys, where's my spoon? Oh fuck. So let's start with direction. How was the recipe written? Was it easy to follow? I'd say so, yeah. Pretty straightforward, easy to follow. Not a lot of bullshit in the beginning. The recipe's in grams, which I really like. Sometimes a little bit vague, like she'll just say sugar or butter, not specifying what kind. Doesn't tell you how much cornflake crunch to use, doesn't tell you how to plate it. That's fine. If you cook a lot, you can use your brain. I like that she has these little red lines to separate the sections. One other issue with the recipes, there aren't photos. Certainly not for panna cotta. Do you really need a photo? No. Would it be nice? Sure. Yeah, solid. So 7-7 on the direction. In terms of difficulty, I'm gonna give it a 2.2. It's pretty damn easy. Quite a few steps if you have to make the cornflake crunch and the cereal milk. A bit of meticulousness when you put these in the fridge. You don't want to jiggle them too much, otherwise you're not gonna have a clean line. You gotta know how to bloom your gelatin and incorporate everything correctly. But it's all very straightforward, pretty rudimentary in terms of techniques. 2-2. And in terms of deliciousness, it's a toss-up between 6.9 and 7.1. So we'll meet in the middle, we'll say 7. Pretty straightforward flavors. It's nothing mind-blowing, but it's really fun, solid. Technically not a panna cotta. Panna cotta translates to cooked cream in Italian. If anything, I would just take points off in the direction part for some of you that think you're gonna be cooking cream. You're not, but who gives a shit? So that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and I'm now gonna make myself cereal milk latte. Adios.